Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be trying some Maitake mushroom as I'm going to fry them up. If you never heard of Maitake mushroom, this is what they look like. I broke them up. They look like a little flower when you see them, but I broke them up so that I can get them battered and fry them up. So we are going to set that aside. Okay, to start out wet batter mixture, we're going to start off with 2 cups of flour. And I'm going to add some onion powder, about a tablespoon of onion powder. And to that, I'm going to add a tablespoon of garlic powder as well. And then I'm going to take some Cajun seasoning. Sprinkle it in. And then I'm going to take some smoked paprika. I think that'll do it. I'm going to give this a whisk. Mix this up really well. And then I'm going to drizzle some almond milk to get it blended in. Or whatever kind of soy-free milk of your choice. Okay, so I just about have this to the right consistency that I want. So that I can dip the mushroom in nice and smooth. So once you get it to that consistency, then you're good. So I am going to set this to the side as I work on my dry ingredient. So to this bowl, I'm going to add some unbleached flour. And I'm going to add just about the same ingredient. Some smoked paprika. That's okay. Some Cajun seasoning again. And my onion and garlic powder. And I'm going to add some black pepper as well as I did in my wet batter. Okay. Get this all mixed up. We're gonna start frying up these Maitake mushrooms. Okay guys, so I am going to start taking my mushroom and I'm going to dip them in the wet batter. And then I'm going to shake them off a little and take them right into the dry batter. You want to always keep one hand wet and one hand dry. Put them up real good. Okay, and now we are going to start dropping them in the hot oil. All right, so I have cooked the Maitake mushrooms up, and here you have it. So when you are around and you're missing your chicken, you can try some Maitake mushrooms and batter them up just like chicken and enjoy. Draw some hot sauce on it first and enjoy. So I hope you like this video. Try this recipe out and see you next time.